case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1976 case of Vasquez v. Glassboro Service Asin, the New Jersey Superior Court Chancery Division focused on the legal rights of a residential employee whose tenancy was based on their employment. The case questioned whether an employer could remove an agricultural worker from their provided living accommodations without following the eviction process known as summary dispossess proceedings. The legal case involved an agricultural worker who was hired by an employer and required to live in a labor camp provided by the employer while performing agricultural work. The worker was given food and housing in exchange for their employment. The court examined the conditions of the worker's employment contract and the wording of the summary dispossess statute. Although the legislative intent was unclear, the court acknowledged that a residential employee may be considered a tenant within the statute, and thus concluded that the employer could not remove the worker without following proper legal procedures. The court ultimately held that the employer couldn't evict the migrant agricultural worker from their living accommodations without following summary dispossess proceedings, as tenancy was tied to employment. The court determined that legislative intent aimed to establish tenancy status for employees with provided living quarters, and that the summary dispossess statute applied to such cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.